We just bought a new iMac Apple computer, the 5K version with 3.2 gigahertz processor in it, and unfortunately the best we could do on the RAM without paying an arm and a leg is 8 gigabytes. Well, as you know, we have a studio here and we do a lot of photo and video editing, and we need more than the 8 gigabytes in order to keep that computer just kicking and going hard. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 8 gigabytes out and we're going to upgrade that computer with 32 gigabytes. So what do you need to get started? The fun part about this whole thing is the only thing you need to get started is you need that 32 gigabytes of RAM. I wasn't totally truthful. You do need a pen, or you could use a screwdriver or something like that. Here we go. Let's get started. Before you start this, make sure you shut down your iMac, wait until your iMac is completely powered off, and then take the power cord out of the back. Get yourself a tabletop. What you're going to do next is go ahead and lay something nice and soft on that table. Put your iMac face down on the table. Take a pen and you're going to push down on the little button that is on the inside of the power cord outlet. And what you'll notice is that the panel on the back of your computer will pop open. Take that panel off. Go ahead and grab these small arms that you see, pull them in and slide them back so that now your memory modules are unlocked from the back of your computer. Pull out each memory module, make sure you pull them straight out, don't pull them at an angle, and set them aside. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your new memory, which can be either of these. Okay, so align the memory module with that slot so that it fits perfectly with the nub. Push down on your memory module. You should feel it securely kind of click into place. Go ahead and do this for all 4 of your memory modules. When you're done with it, you can grab the 2 little plastic handlebars on either side of the memory modules, push that back down, seat it in place. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to take the cover that you had, that you took off originally, and then push down on that and seat it back into place. It'll feel like it's grinding a little bit of metal, and that's normal. Don't worry about that. Just make sure you're pushing down on it even so that it goes in evenly and it's got a nice flush feel to it. Believe it or not, you're done. You can go ahead and stand your iMac back up on its feet, plug it back in, and when you plug it back in, it's going to take just a couple of seconds to boot up, and then go up to the Apple symbol, click on About This Mac, I think is what it's called, and then double check that the computer actually sees the 32 gigabytes of memory. And believe it or not, your computer will be much better at handling video and photos than it was when you first bought it from the store. Okay, thank you very much. Always check focus, always check focus, always check focus. Oh, it's nothing like the pressure of being on camera. Is it About Mac? You're gonna take a pen. We have a pen. You always have a pen. Where's your pen? Give me a pen. Thank you. Power cord outlet. What is that? Hell is that called? The power cord outlet part. Of course, just stick the pen right in the hole and make sure it's not on. You'll see that there is a small little nub. What the hell would you call that? A nick. There's a little nub. The small little groove. There's just I'm gonna call it a nub today.
My name is Holy Moly. I'm back here in the background, and I know I'm on tape.